this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. I'm going to do a quick DIY, but if this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. Now, this DIY is going to be a candle holder. It's all about the Dollar Tree. So what you'll need for this project is the Dollar Tree little tea light holder. And I spray painted them gold, so that's why there's only 2 in here. You'll need 2 of these Dollar Tree little tea lights with, I've actually seen them before, and I don't know why I've not thought of creating something with them before. So I saw them yesterday and just fell in love with it, thought I want to do something with it. So you'll need 2 of those. Then you'll need the candle holders, which I went ahead and spray painted them. If you remember, I did a project before that had the large one and the medium. So I decided, because of these being so short, I want to do a large one and a really small one so that they have that contrast. So this is the large and this is the small. You need your glue sticks, glue gun, and I actually haul these from Walmart and they are in the black. I wanted black because of the iron being black. So the Dollar Tree, I didn't see it there. I'm sure they have diamond wrap that are in black, but I haul these from Walmart. So let's get started on this DIY. Guys, I forgot to mention you will need scissors because you have to cut your diamond wrap. So you're going to go ahead and take your diamond wrap. My shirt, let's fix this shirt. Measure it out. Actually, I do need 2 of them, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead, cut these up, and I'll... Okay, guys, so I trimmed down my diamond wrap, the black, and now I'm going to go ahead and start on my... I'm not quite sure how to describe them. I mean, they're metal. Candle tea light holder. I'm going to start with these. The reason why, I'm thinking they're going to be a little bit more tedious than the rest, only because I've got this I have to work in between the irons. So go ahead, lay your glue down onto the inside and wherever works best for you. And you know, many times I don't go all the way with the glue, so it's up to you if you want to glue it all the way or not. I will put about 4 streaks of glue most times. I think I will on this project as well. Just like that. Try and make it as straight as you can. Oh, my measurement is off. No worries. Just have to cut a couple more strips. Just like that. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's pretty okay. I'm going to do the other one, and then I'm going to fill in my gap that I was a little short on beads. So I just need to fill, possibly, I could go ahead and do that. Just put the 3 in there. Cut a little piece of the strip and fill it into that spot, just like that. Just a tiny piece of thread hanging. You guys know how I am. The cobwebs get me, and a little string gets me too. So I think it's pretty straight, except for this spot here. Okay, well, I will fix that, and I think overall it's good. So I'm going to go ahead, do the other one, and then I'll be back. So guys, I went ahead and fixed the diamond wrap, and now I want to add some diamond wrap from the base to the top. So I laid the glue down from the base of the metal, and now lay your diamond wrap and just slowly string it. Make sure it's straight, just like that. I'm going to take that all the way around, just outlining the design of this candle holder so that it has some diamond wrap on it. It can be blinged out. So pull it straight, make sure your diamond wrap's straight, and just lay it on top of your glue. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead, take it all the way around, and I'll be back to show you what they look like. Guys, so I finished both of the candle holder, the small ones, and love, love, love how they turned out. So I've got it on the bottom, I've got it around the rim, and all around. So I'm going to place those to the side now that they're done, and then I want to take these, and I've got them in different strips. So the larger strips I want to go ahead and add close to the bottom as possible. So lay your glue down, take your diamond wrap, lay it on top of the glue, pull it so it'll dry, tug on it a bit. I like it to be tight, so I do. This measurement is perfect. And some glue to the bottom. I didn't, so I need to. So it lay flat. Just like that. Okay. The bottom. Alright, so I'm going to want to think that it will take, oh, actually it will take all of it. So I'm going to go ahead, do the same with the top, and then I'll be back to show you what that looks like. So I'm starting on my small candle stick, laid some glue down, and now I'm going to just do a zigzag motion onto the glass, pull slightly onto it, just like that, pull it in place, do the same thing all the way around. I'll be back to assemble all of them so we can see that all come together. So guys, I add the diamond wrap directly to the top of the candle holder, and that's because I want to sit this right on top of it, so it looks like it just flows into each other. So here we are. Let's lay the glue a generous amount down. We're going to find make sure it's centered on there. Oh, got glue on my finger. Going to fill in with extra glue. Okay, I think that looks great. Okay, I'm going to let that dry while I do the same to this one. Lay the glue down. And guys, now we've got our candle holders. Now I was going to incorporate these two small ones in with the large ones, but I decided I didn't want to. I changed my mind on that. So you can have your two blinged out candle tea lights right next to each other. And I really, really love the way that turned out. I think I've shown you this one. So let's take a look at this one. Alright, I'm going to put it on the table with some candles and you can get a view of what it looks like. Okay guys, this is how it turned out. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I hope that you do like it. Give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time and your support in reaching my goal of 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow on my next DIY.